Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to Instagram using a Mac computer 2024. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, as well as a video that we will be uploading. Wait, can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. Use a shortcut on the toolbar and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we will do is minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder. Go to my YouTube channel, go to 4K. We have a video in this folder that we will highlight, copy, and paste to the desktop. There we go. We can now quit Finder, go all the way around to the dock, go back to Safari. And now what we will do is create a post, select from computer, that's correct. Click on the video. This is a 4K video. Upload. Your video is being uploaded. Video posts are now shared as reels. That's okay. We want to have the original. We can choose 1:1, 9:16, 16:9. So let's now go to next. We can use a cover photo. As you can see in this video, all the cover photos are the same. If we wish to, we can trim. We can now add a caption. This is a 4K video. For Computer Science Videos. And now let's click on share. The video itself is now being uploaded to the Instagram account using a Mac computer. So your reel has been shared. That's okay. Let's now click off, right click, reload the page, and there we go. There is the video. That has now been uploaded to my account via Instagram. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.